Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. So today we are doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you're new here and you want to become a part of the family, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification so every time I upload a video, you can be notified and become an official citizen. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I'm going to start off. I have a couple items that I picked up from the Louis Vuitton store. One I picked up in the King of Prussia Louis Vuitton store, and the other one I picked up, it was in like up north. So we're going to start off with some small SOGs, and I have a couple items. Well, not a couple. I have maybe two items that's kind of hard to get. I tried to find them on the Louis Vuitton website and could not find them. And so I was just going in the store just to look, and I asked and they had it. Here's a cute little bag from Louis Vuitton. I love their little packages, it's so cute. So we're gonna start off with this cutie here. This is, I think, the 6 key ring holder, and the monogram print. So cute. I love these little boxes with this cute little bag. So cute. How cute is this? This is the 6 key ring holder. You just have a single button with a single flip, and it actually opens like a trifold. And then you have the where you can put 6 keys, your car keys, your house keys. So I needed this for a while because I just have my keys out and open on like a little ring, and I noticed that I have scratched my car with my keys. So I think this will keep me from scratching my car door with my keys. And it comes with, you know, all the little information from Louis Vuitton. You know, we all get these little stickers and everything that comes with it. These are like little codes, I guess, for them when they're scanning it. And this was made in France, Paris, France. I don't know. It doesn't make me a difference where it's made or whatever. Some people say like the quality's better if you get it from one place or whatever, but I did check this out when I was in the store. I don't even think this is the same one I checked out though, because she went in the back to wrap it up. But this is my little 6 ring key holder. Cute, right? Okay, so that's one. And then put this over here. Okay, so I don't know if you watch my birthday vlog, Louis Vuitton birthday vlog. I'll link it up here. My kids got me this nano monogram bracelet, and I really enjoy wearing this bracelet. It's so cute, and I've been wearing it every day, and the wear on it is pretty good. So of course I went and I purchased myself another. I have to link the name because I don't remember the name of the bracelet, so I'll link it below. But I bought another bracelet. Let's get it open. Super cute. Look at this. Has a gold hardware. So I don't remember the name of it, but I will definitely link it below. And this is so cute. And I think it is so cute as a stack. one more thing I bought. Okay, so now I have the big bag. Yes. So in this box here, we have quite a few things. I don't know if you guys want to know the price on the 6-ring key holder was $265 and the bracelet was $270. But like I said, I'll link everything below. And then here I have, just love opening these little boxes. It's like Christmas. I have a Louis Vuitton BANDEAU or BANDEAU. Is it BANDEAU? BANDEAU. I made up in this box. It's pretty tight. And this is the Monogram BANDEAU, which is so cute. It has the LV prints all over it with like the with like chains and a lock. Super cute. I love the two colors. And this is just, you know, a little bandeau you put on your head. You can wrap it around your neck. Some people tie it around their neck like a little scarf or something like this. This is cute. You could do that. It's cute. Or you could wear it, you know, as a bandana. Super cute. And you could tie it on your the handles of your bag. And I do plan on buying myself the little cute what is it called? The Scott box. I think that's what it's called. It's like the little clear jewelry box. It's really not a purse, but you can carry it like on date night. You just got to be very careful what you put in there. So I got this because I know I'm going to get that, and I will tie this to make my little handle. It's so cute. All right, now for the big hard to find item. I did not see it on the website. It's still not on the website. I contacted maybe 2 to 3 different essays. A lady that I know on Instagram, she had a pair and she gave me hot essays information, which is in DC. They didn't have them. I contacted my essay in King of Prussia. I didn't hear back from her. And then another one in North Jersey, I didn't hear back. And then I went into the store, stood in line because I got there in the afternoon. Yes, I stood in line. And what did I see when I walked in? Very, I think this is definitely going to be a collector's piece in this huge box. So, and when I went there, I was not thinking that I was going to be able to get this item because I didn't see them on the website. And when I called customer service, they said it's a new item and it was not released. They didn't really have too much information on it, but somebody had them, so I know they exist. So, and then when I got in the store and I tried them on, they fit, and they only got 2 pair in, which one was a 37 and I think the other one was like a 39. So I tried on a 37 and they fit perfect. And they are, I don't even know the name of them. The moon boots. I call them moon boots. But they are so cute. If I can get them out of this bag. How stinking cute are these? These are definitely for my area. It gets cold and it snows. Check these out, girls. Check them out. How cute are these moon boots? I actually have to call my essay and, oh, it might be on the tag. I have to find my receipt. I think my husband has my receipt, but I will link the name of these in the description. How cute are these? With the rubber toe. Super cute. I'm actually gonna do some mod shots in these because these are so cute. And they're warm as well. Very, very warm. So I'm gonna do some mod shots. And I'll be right back. Okay, citizens, that is it for my huge Louis Vuitton unboxing. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you could be notified. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.